Then I entered my 20s. I thought life would finally make sense about everything. Like, I'll have everything sorted in my life. I will be successful. I will be confident. I will be everything that I want to be right now. But honestly, my 20s felt very confusing to me. Everyone around me seemed to be moving ahead in some way or the other. And I was just still thinking about, am I doing the right degree? Am I with the right group of friends? Am I doing good in my life? Am I good enough? All these questions were always there in my head. And slowly I realized your 20s are not about having everything figured out. Your 20s are about learning the skills that will carry you for the rest of your life. There are some skills that does not come from college degree skills or doing some courses, but they come from your mistakes that you make, failures that you face in your life, the relationships that breaks with people, the awkward moments that you have to face, and then learning to grow anywhere. So today we're going to talk about skills that you must learn in your 20s and they are very important for you. The ones that silently changes your confidence, success. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So the first skill is emotional control and not emotional suppression. In your 20s, your emotions are going to be very intense, like seriously very intense. You're going to feel everything at very next level, to be honest. You're going to overthink every text, every friendship, every bond with people, every relationship with people. Your career pressure is going to build up. And in this, you have to be emotionally strong. Earlier, I used to react to everything like instantly. You ignored my text, I will call you. I would text you, hey, why you're ignoring me? Is everything okay? If someone ignored me, I would literally assume the worst. If something went wrong, I would spiral it for days in my head. But emotional maturity does not mean being emotionless. It's about learning the gap between feeling and reacting. So instead of replying when you're angry, think about it. Do not do it instantly. Instead of making a decision right after the fight, just sleep over it. Do not think about it. Because most of the regrets do not come from the way you feel, it comes from the way you react in that moment. Learning emotional control will protect your energy as well as your relationships with people. Another most important skill is your communication skills. Yes, you might be talented, hardworking, you might be good at critical thinking, might be good at making a lot of decisions, but if you can't communicate well, people will not always see your value. Communication isn't just about speaking English fluently or sounding confident. It is more about knowing how to express your thoughts clearly, listening without waiting to reply, saying what you mean without being rude and over explaining. In your 20s, ask as many questions as you can. Speak up in group settings, take initiative to share your ideas without shrinking yourself. I realize people don't remember someone who is smart, they remember someone who is good at articulation, someone who is good at communication, because that communication is something that they will always remember. Another most important skill is discipline over motivation. Yes, motivation feels very amazing, it sounds very amazing, but the next day it just goes away. One day you're motivated and next day you're not. One day you will be completely productive, going to the gym, studying, you're walking, you're doing everything that you want, and the other day you're not doing anything, you're lazy, you don't even feel like waking up from your bed. But discipline is something that will take you on the normal days and on the boring days. Discipline is waking up even when you don't feel like waking up. Discipline is finishing a task that you decided to complete. Discipline is about showing the consistency for your work. Your dream life isn't built on big moments, it is built on the small everyday changes that you have to make in your life. Another most important skill that you need to learn is financial awareness. In your 20s, no one is going to teach you how to use your finance. In your 20s, you're going to earn your first salary, and with that, you have a lot of things to do, right? You want to buy something for your parents, you want to do something for the society or poor people, or you want to buy something for yourself, right? The temptations are endless and you just cannot put your finger on one thing. But one of the most important and attractive skill that you can build early is financial awareness. This is going to help you till the very last. Start with simple steps like start tracking your expenses, where you're spending, how much you're spending on your groceries, how much you're spending on your traveling or your expenses, that miscellaneous expenses that you make. Make a track for all of it. Save small portions every month. Yes, start doing SIPs if you are really into saving your money, because it is going to help you in long run very much. Avoid emotional spending because finance gives you freedom, and with that freedom you have to make your choices. Another skill that you have to learn is learn to be alone without feeling lonely. Yes, in your 20s you're gonna face a lot of things. A lot of relationships are gonna break unexpectedly, a lot of friendships are gonna break unexpectedly, and you have to live alone. At first, being lonely might feel scary to you, but once you learn it, it is one of the best things to do with yourself. To be honest, I love being alone. I mean, I am a social person, but I love to stay at my home. I love to read my books. I love to watch my movies. And I just love to do something at my home at my own pace, at my own pace. And that really changes everything, guys. Take yourself on a solo date. Go and explore your city, go to some museum or some cute cafe and have some time alone. The moment you stop depending on others for validation, everything is going to change for you guys. Another most important thing that you have to learn is setting boundaries and saying no. Yes, in your early 20s, you will say yes to everyone, to your friends, to your colleagues, or to whoever you're gonna meet, because at first you will say yes because you don't want to disappoint them, of course, but you don't have to do it. Because when you're saying yes to everyone else, you're saying no to yourself. Of course, it's your time. You don't have to say yes just because someone is asking to you and you don't want to do it. You don't have to. Prioritize yourself, because when you will need help, nobody is going to show up for you. Trust me, I'm saying this based on my personal experience. So just prioritize yourself and just don't be available for everyone. And when you're not available for everyone, people are gonna see you in a different way. They're gonna respect you because they're not gonna treat like, oh, she's always available. Oh, he's always available. We can always go with him. I'm not getting anyone to go for shopping. Aditi, will you come with me? This is going to happen to you. So just learn to say no. And you should not hesitate or feel sad about it just because you said no to someone. No, you should not. Prioritize yourself, my friend. Learn to say this doesn't work for me. Learn to say I need some space. Boundaries don't push people away, they actually teach them how to treat you. Another skill that you have to learn is adaptability. Yes, the biggest lie about your 20s is that you have to choose a career and you have to stick to it forever. No, truth is, you will change and so will your choices. Your interest will shift, your goals will evolve. You don't want to do the same thing that you were doing maybe 1 year ago. The version of you that you are right now won't be the same person in next 3 years, right? And that's completely fine. It's okay to have different choices. Learn to start again without feeling embarrassed. Learn new things, try new things, fail, and then restart again. Reinvention is not confusion, it's just growth. And at the end of the day, you are learning something from that, right? Another thing is learning how to handle failure. Yes, in your 20s, you're gonna face a lot of rejection, job applications, friendship, relationships, plans that are not gonna work out for you. And the only thing that you have to do is do not self doubt. These situations, these phases will make you question yourself that are you not good enough, because this is one of the biggest failure, or this is one of the biggest rejection in your life. In your 20s, you're gonna face your biggest rejections, your first job application rejection, your first relationship rejection, most probably. But eventually, you will understand that failure is just a feedback and nothing more than that. So instead of asking yourself, why is this happening to me? Why me, God? Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? What I'm going to learn from this? How I'm going to not repeat the same thing in my future. People who win in their life are not the ones who do not fail. They are the ones who keep trying without letting the failure define who they are. Another thing that you have to learn is protecting your energy. Yes, not every argument needs your response. Not every opinion deserves your attention. Learn to protect your mental energy, my friend. Sometimes peace might look like walking away from the conversations that drain you, walking away from the people that drain you, spending less time comparing yourself online on social media, choosing silence instead of proving yourself to someone. Energy management is a real skill. If you're over explaining yourself to everyone, they're not gonna take you seriously. So do not over explain, do not waste your energy on people who don't deserve it. Save it for yourself, use it on your growth, use it on your career, same energy, and just grow in your life. Your 20s are not about perfection, guys. It's more about your preparation, how you work for yourself, how you work in a way so that it helps you in your long run. You're literally learning how to handle yourself, your money, people, time, everything you're learning in your 20s. And one thing that I've noticed is that these 20s, like in your 20s, it really goes very fast. Like, 5 years ago, you were in your school time, you were in your 11th and 12th standard. And 5 years from now, you're literally working, or maybe you're in your post graduation. It is going to change a lot. Like for me, what I believe is 20s are the fastest. You grow a lot. You literally grow a lot from a teenager to an adult. It is a journey. And one day when you're applying all these steps, you will realize that you were never behind. You were just working on them, and now you have built this empire for yourself. You're working so good, you're so happy in your life, you have everything that you're dreamed for. So yes guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you want me to cover all these topics in separate videos, we can make a detailed video about it. If you want me to, then I would definitely do it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Until then, keep learning, keep hustling. You got this, my friend. See you at the next one. Bye bye.